What's up, viewers? Today I got another product review and demo for you guys all about Autofiber's Mitt on a stick. Let's do it.
Clean car, Chris, funny vibes. Hear this.
All right, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to the channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. First and foremost, let me shout out Matt from Autofiber. I spoke to him at MTE in Orlando. Cool guy. Gave me a vibe to actually do this review. I've been wanting to try this product for such a long time. Finally got it at the Detail Superstore of Fort Lauderdale. Check it out, guys. I already used it already, but I kept the box. But let me just show you guys basically how it came. Check it out. Of course, each piece was in its own plastic bag. But like I said, I used it already. So let me just show you a couple features about this product and tell you why I like it so much. All right, we got 3 poles here. Very sturdy, lightweight. This handle, the cushioning on it is type like a foam type cushioning, I guess. Like I said, lightweight, feels very durable, very comfortable in your hands, easy to assemble. No rocket science here. You know, on this channel, we love to keep things real, simple, and practical, right? So you just connect this end, connect the top end, and you know it's the top, right? Because I have this connection here. This is the top end of the pole. It's not actually the end piece, the highest piece. Highest piece is this piece right here. Check it out. All you do is connect it like so. Kind of press these little buttons down, slide it down, and you'll hear it click and lock into place, right? Right here, we have an adjustment here. You can either loosen this or tighten it to the angle you want the base at. Check it out. You know what I mean? And then it comes, the version I bought comes with this mitt right here, the long noodle mitt, right? You have different mitts you can put on. For example, Korean Dragon, Wash Monster, Mesh Bug Scrub. You can actually put the Holy Clay mitt on there. The one I really want to get is the Dreadnought Drying. Reason being, you know, I use this mostly for obviously larger vehicles. So when you wash and then when you're drying the top of vehicles, it'd be cool to put the Dreadnought here so you can actually dry the vehicle using the mitt on the stick. All right, check this out. So easy to put on. I think this was also brilliant way to actually attach your wash medium onto the stick itself. Let's fold it over like that. It has these buttons here. You just clip on one, on the other. Simple, easy peasy. What I like about this too, a lot of other similar products, they might have like a string dangling around, you know, which can potentially scratch the vehicle or just get in the way of your workflow. So yeah, man, the top here is pretty sturdy. It doesn't swivel around. It's not loose. And you can, like I said, adjust it to the angle you would like. You know what I mean? It's a good looking product, I would say. It's lightweight, like I said. It has this slight angle here at the top, which helps, especially when you're washing larger vehicles. Yeah, man, shout out Autofiber for making such an awesome product. So let me crank up the generator, foam up the ride, give you a quick demo. Awesome feature about this product too is actual size. You know, you can actually dunk it in any 5-gallon or 3.5-gallon bucket easily. A lot of similar products, they're so big you can't even dunk it in the bucket properly. You know what I mean? So see, for example, to me that's a plus, major plus. So yeah, man, you just basically use it like you would use any other wash medium. You know, like I said, it's so convenient. You can actually just dunk it straight into your bucket and go ahead and wash. And you guys already know Autofiber makes quality stuff. So your wash medium on the end here is high quality. So you don't have to worry about scratching the vehicle and all those things once you're using your products right. You know what I mean? See? Easy peasy, right? So, of course, I use this mostly on larger vehicles, especially on the roof area. I mean, this is just a demo. This vehicle is not high at all, but you get the drift, right, guys? But it's so easy to use. You can reach it's long enough to reach the whole, cover the entire roof pretty much from standing on one side of the vehicle. You know what I mean? And imagine if this was, say, I don't know, a F350, super big vehicle. You know, you can catch the front pretty easily too. Yeah, guys, I decided to do a review on this product because I've been looking for a product like this for a long time, you know what I mean? And this one, I'm very satisfied with it. All the features to it are very simple, but just what you need. So shout out to Autofiber for making an awesome product. You don't know, my people, every Wednesday, 4 p.m., we got some hot content for you. Product reviews, in the field details, interviews with detailers. You don't know, my new series, Meet the Detailers. All of them things there, right, my people? So bless up everybody for watching. Every Wednesday, like I said, 4 p.m. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description. Click it, check it out if you want. See your boy Clean Car Chris. See you on the next one. Respect.
Clean car, Chris, on the vibes.